Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to find out if we can remove a song from Instagram post after publishing. So let's just dive right in and get started. So let's head over to Instagram. For that, open up the Instagram application. And once you access it, you can go to your profile, tap on the bottom right hand tab, open up your profile and access of your post from your account right here. So go over and find it up. There we go. And tap on the post with the music on. Now, if you want to remove that, we usually go ahead and tap on the three dot in the top. And after that, look out for the option of edit. And here you should be finding different options. But if you're looking for option to remove the music, we do not have it. So unfortunately, we cannot directly remove a song from a published Instagram post. But what we can do is we can use a workaround instead. So what we can do is we can delete and re-upload the post without music. So right now I have this picture available with music. So if you want to delete it, you need to look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of delete here. After that, you can just go over and confirm this up right here and tap on delete and confirm it up. Once you do so, what you may do is you may just go over and tap on this plus option at the top. And from there, select the option of post. And once you select it up, you can just go over and select the create a new post with the same video or the photo that you would like to upload. And this time, do not add the music or sound from the music library and upload the new post. And when you upload it, you'll be finding no music available in the Instagram post that you're trying to go ahead and post without any music. And that is it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd like to remove a song from an Instagram post after publishing, you may also follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.